So I have the mobility walker from Homland. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this thing assembled so you know exactly what to expect when your walker arrives. So what's nice about the assembly is there's no tools needed. Everything is just pins that pop into place. So we're going to start by getting these handlebars together and move them out like this. At this point, you can obviously just kind of visualize it. So we're just going to get our handlebar into here. Like I said, it just goes in, pins, they go into place, push them down, and they are easy to push down, which is nice, so they're not going to hurt your fingers or anything like that. So we got that one in. We can now move to the other side. Okay, so now that we have the top part put together, we can go on to the legs. And they make it super, super easy, so you don't have to get confused. There's going to have numbers right here, number 1, number 2, so you're just going to find the wheel or the leg that has the number 1 and just match up the numbers. So we're just going to start with 1, we're going to put that to 1, then you go find 2, and you put that to 2. All right, and just like that, this whole thing is assembled. They also do give you some skis if you want to put them on the back. Otherwise, they do come with these knobs on here. So whatever is most comfortable for you, just pick it. And if you want to change them out, super easy. You can just pull them off just like this. Kind of give them a little bit of twist, pull, and they'll come off the bottom. And then you can replace it with the other ones. This took me less than 5 minutes to assemble. It was very affordable. So overall, I'm very happy with the way this walker turned out.